Hi everyone, my name is Malin Tunyakaw, and right now I'm going to promote my assigned Global City. So our topic for today is Global City. So since I'm here in Bagay din Bantayan, Cebu, Philippines, of course. So it is a municipality which rich natural beauty. There's a lot of beaches here, known for its tranquil, rustic charm, local fishing culture, and proximity to tourism spot like Amalapascua, making it like a gateway to island adventures, though not a global city in the economic sense of New York or London, but a vital part of Cebu's vibrant, evolving Philippines identity and gateway to world-class diving or island hopping. So how would I describe my municipality? So first, vibrant and coastal. Imagine there's a clear blue waters, white sand beaches, and a strong fishing community offering a peaceful yet lively island feel like a typical of northern Cebu. Second, community focused, a place where local life strive with strong social harmony, fresh seafoods, and welcoming atmospheres, contrasting with bustling metropolises. So, what is my municipality known for? Gateway to Paradise, primarily known as the jump-off point of Malapascua Island and Kalangaman Island, drawing divers, snorkelers, and beach lovers. So second, fishing and local produce. A center for local fisheries providing fresh seafoods and contributing to Cebu's unique culinary scene. Third, natural beauty, stunning coastlines, reefs, and less developed, authentic Filipinos island experience. So what makes it a global city in the Philippines in the context, right? So not a global city like a New York City or London, but a global gateway. While Danbantayan isn't an alpha hub for finance or tech, which crucial for global tourism and diving, connect to global networks, it serves as the critical link for international tourism, divers, and backpackers, exploring the Philippines, integrating local culture with global travel trends, much like how Manila connects Filipinos globally as workers note. Economic niche. It leverage its natural assets like treasures sharks to attract global attentions, making it a key player in a global ecotourism and diving sectors, a unique form of global influence. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.